What's going on, guys? It's AnthonyDG. I just took delivery of my brand new 2020 Toyota GR Supra. Here's the delivery video of me checking it out for the first time. Going in right now. All the plastics are still on, and yeah, they were able to show me the car before they took off everything. This is literally the car straight off the truck, and I was the first one to see it. I love the red leather interior, the carbon fiber trim. Everything's laid out real nice. Start it up. Here we go, first start. Wow.
There you go. That's nice. Quality. See that? Professional. Here's your white one, Anthony. We got a white one now. Holy damn. Look at that.
Before and after. Wow, she looks amazing. Oh.
Move it. Move it back. Which way? He go that way or that way? That way? Okay. Move it this way. Go here. That's good, eh? Yeah, let me go out. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
There you go. That's what they call a unicorn.
Yeah.
You gonna park beside the Type R, bro? Legendary.
Saying my final goodbyes to my Type R. See you later. The final picture before going home. The first fuel up. And I'm home, and the first person I showed was my son Kai. He loves the car. I can't wait to take him for a drive. Thanks, guys, for watching my first YouTube video. You can catch me on Instagram at AnthonyDG_. I'll be posting a lot more pictures and videos there, and as well as on my YouTube once I get a chance to record. Talk to you guys later.